everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to L.L.Bean Mastercard online account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in LLBean Mastercard login and press enter on your keyboard. Click on this first link you see. Soon after you press enter, this will take you to Citi Retail Service. From Citibank, you'll be able to access your Mastercard account right from this web page. To log in and access your Mastercard, go ahead and enter your user ID appearing on the left hand side of the screen. If you don't remember your user ID, click on the Retrieve User ID button and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to find your user ID. On the next page, you'll need to type in the correct password. Also, if you don't remember your password, you can get back to it by clicking on the Reset Password link. It'll help you reset to a new password which will be easier for you to remember. Finally, click on the Sign On button in order to access and manage your LLBean Mastercard. If you've not set up an online account for yourself, click the Get Started button at the bottom and follow the on-screen prompts to sign up first. That is how you'll be able to log into your LLBean Mastercard online account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.